So what are we doing?
Working out.
You're working out? Get buff.
Oh yeah. Sleep. Yes. Feel the burn. My left arm is like this. My left arm is like.
Dude, if you had wings, this would so not work. Oh my god, look at them. They're just like, eh. Woo! 1, 2. Oh my god. I wish I could put these videos on MySpace. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is hilarious.
I'm such a wimp.
Okay, well my battery is about to die, but this is hilarious. What are you doing? You're gonna put it on the thickest one?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's why you're grabbing the smallest ones, right? You wanna look, she wants to look so buff. Hurry up, my battery's dying. Oh my god, this is hilarious. Let's do this. Oh my god. Oh!
You're so strong.
Oh!
It's like I'm Hercules. Spartan 300. Go lift my car. I don't have time for easy things like that. Gotta work out.
Oh my god.
Can you do the last one?
I gotta see this. Hold on, I need a new pair of batteries. Someone get me a new thing of batteries.
What kind of batteries?
AA.
I don't think my left arm's gonna be able to. AA?
Yeah. 2. Dos.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Easy. Please.
Thank you.
I have a favor to ask of you.
Goodbye.